In this video, we'll write the balanced net ionic equation for HClO3 plus NaOH. This is chloric acid and sodium hydroxide. First thing we do with net ionic equations is balance the molecular equation. This is the molecular equation, and it's already balanced, so that's kind of nice. Next, we need to write the state for each substance. We're going to consider that HClO3 is a strong acid, and it's going to dissociate into its ions, so it'll be a strong electrolyte. Sodium hydroxide, that's a strong base. That'll also dissociate. And then we have NaClO3, sodium chlorate. It's chlorates and sodium, very soluble when you see those, so that's going to be aqueous. Water will be a liquid. So we have the states for each substance. Now we can split the strong electrolytes apart into its ions. This will give us the complete ionic equation. Hydrogen's in group 1, has a 1+, and this whole chlorate ion here, that has a 1-. So we'll have H+, and I'll write aqueous at the end, I won't write that now, plus ClO3-, plus sodium is in group 1, has a 1+ charge, and the hydroxide ion, that's always 1-. So we'll have Na plus OH-. And these are our reactants. In the products, we have plus and minus, so we'll have Na plus and then ClO3-. We don't split liquids apart in net ionic equations, so we're just going to put H2O here. This is the complete ionic equation. Now we can cross out these spectator ions. They appear on both sides of our complete ionic equation. They really haven't changed, so we're not interested in them. So I can see the chlorate ion here and here. So I'm going to cross that out. You can see I forgot to put my plus up here. So I have a sodium ion here in the reactants and in the products. Cross that out. What remains is the net ionic equation for HClO3 plus NaOH. I'll clean this up and put the states in. We'll have our net ionic equation. And this is the balanced net ionic equation for HClO3 plus NaOH. You can see charge is conserved. You have a positive and a negative. They cancel out. They give us a neutral compound. And mass is conserved as well. We have 2 hydrogens here. Products, 2 hydrogens. 1 oxygen, 1 oxygen. This is Dr. B with the balanced net ionic equation for chloric acid plus sodium hydroxide. Thanks for watching.